Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the world of Mido watches, a brand known for its Swiss precision, timeless elegance, and innovative designs. As we step into 2025, Mido continues to deliver timepieces that not only tell time but also transform your style and elevate your look. In this video, we'll count down the top 10 Mido watches of 2025, showcasing models that combine sophistication, functionality, and modern design for every occasion. Number 10. Ocean Star Worldtimer Automatic. The Ocean Star Worldtimer Automatic is a stunning timepiece designed for globetrotters who demand both style and functionality. Its sophisticated dial showcases world time zones with precision, allowing you to keep track of multiple locations effortlessly. Crafted with Mido's signature attention to detail, this watch blends durability with elegance, featuring a robust stainless steel case and a comfortable bracelet. The automatic movement ensures reliable performance, making it ideal for daily wear or travel. The luminescent hands and markers provide excellent readability even in low-light conditions, highlighting its practicality. The design is a harmonious combination of classic watchmaking and modern aesthetics, making it a perfect accessory for formal and casual settings alike. Its water resistance adds an extra layer of versatility for active lifestyles. The Ocean Star Worldtimer is not just a watch, it's a statement of sophistication and ambition, capturing the essence of global exploration in a timeless design. Every glance at this watch reminds you of the worlds waiting to be discovered. For those who value craftsmanship, precision, and elegance, this Mido creation is an indispensable companion. The balance between elegance and utility makes it a top choice for collectors and style enthusiasts alike. With its sleek contours and polished finish, it elevates any outfit instantly. Whether attending business meetings or jet-setting across continents, this watch complements every moment. The combination of mechanical mastery and visual appeal ensures it remains a standout piece for years to come. Number 9. Star Decompression Worldtimer Automatic. The Star Decompression Worldtimer Automatic embodies the perfect blend of innovation and timeless elegance. This exceptional watch features a Worldtimer complication, allowing travelers and professionals to track multiple time zones effortlessly. Its carefully designed dial highlights Mido's dedication to readability and precision, with luminescent markers enhancing clarity in any environment. The stainless steel case offers robustness while maintaining a sophisticated look suitable for both business and casual attire. Equipped with an automatic movement, it promises reliable timekeeping without the need for frequent battery changes. The watch is water-resistant, ensuring durability for daily wear, outdoor adventures, or professional use. Its design is a testament to Mido's expertise in combining technical excellence with refined aesthetics. The Star Decompression showcases a harmonious balance of form and function, making it a standout in any collection. Whether navigating urban streets or international flights, it exudes confidence and style. The watch's elegant bracelet and polish finish provide a luxurious feel while maintaining practicality. Every detail, from the intricately crafted hands to the precise dial markings, demonstrates Mido's commitment to quality. This timepiece is more than just a functional accessory, it's an expression of personal style and global ambition. Its versatility allows it to seamlessly transition between work, travel, and leisure. The Star Decompression Worldtimer Automatic is a timeless companion for those who seek both sophistication and adventure. Number 8. Multifort GMT Automatic. The Multifort GMT Automatic is designed for the modern traveler who values efficiency and elegance. Featuring a GMT complication, this watch allows you to monitor multiple time zones simultaneously, making it ideal for international trips or global business connections. The automatic movement ensures precise, reliable timekeeping without compromising on style or sophistication. Crafted with a durable stainless steel case and bracelet, the watch combines resilience with elegance, suitable for both formal and casual settings. The dial is thoughtfully designed with clear markers and luminescent hands, offering exceptional readability in all lighting conditions. Its contemporary aesthetic is complemented by classic watchmaking details, striking a perfect balance between tradition and innovation. Water resistance adds versatility, making it a reliable companion in various situations. The Multifort GMT Automatic is more than just a functional tool. It's an emblem of meticulous craftsmanship and refined taste. Its sleek lines and polished finishes enhance any outfit, instantly elevating your look. The watch's presence on the wrist communicates confidence and sophistication. Whether exploring new cities or attending high-profile meetings, it delivers a seamless blend of practicality and style. Every component, from the precise movement to the polished case, underscores Mido's commitment to quality. This timepiece is a testament to both technical excellence and aesthetic finesse. The Multi-Fort GMT automatic is perfect for collectors and style-conscious individuals who demand functionality without compromising elegance. Its timeless design ensures it remains a versatile and cherished part of your collection. Number 7. Commander 2 Automatic. The Commander 2 Automatic is a refined watch that combines heritage design with contemporary sophistication. Its iconic silhouette reflects Mido's long-standing commitment to timeless elegance and precision engineering. The automatic movement ensures dependable timekeeping powered by the wearer's natural motion. Designed with a robust stainless steel case and bracelet, this watch balances durability with refined aesthetics, making it suitable for any occasion. The dial features subtle textures and luminescent markers, enhancing both readability and visual appeal. Water resistance provides practicality, allowing for daily wear without concern for minor splashes or exposure. Its classic design is enhanced by modern touches, ensuring it remains relevant in 2025 and beyond. The Commander 2 Automatic effortlessly elevates your style, whether paired with a formal suit or casual attire. Its smooth contours and polished finishes highlight Mido's craftsmanship, capturing attention without being ostentatious. This watch is a versatile addition to any collection, embodying both function and elegance. Every detail, from the movement to the bracelet links, demonstrates precision engineering and meticulous attention to design. It is ideal for those who appreciate the heritage of Swiss watchmaking with a contemporary twist. The Commander 2 Automatic is more than a watch. It is a statement of timeless sophistication and refined taste. Its enduring design ensures it remains a go-to choice for style-conscious collectors and professionals alike. Number 6. Multi-Fort Automatic Chronograph. The Multi-Fort Automatic Chronograph is a powerful timepiece designed for precision and performance. Featuring a chronograph function, this watch allows you to measure elapsed time accurately, blending sportiness with elegance. Its automatic movement ensures reliable timekeeping, driven by Swiss craftsmanship that prioritizes accuracy and durability. The stainless steel case and bracelet offer both strength and style, suitable for everyday wear or special occasions. The dial is designed for readability, with contrasting subdials and luminescent hands that enhance visibility in all lighting conditions. Water resistance adds practical versatility for active lifestyles, ensuring durability without compromising design. The Multi-Fort Automatic Chronograph combines classic watchmaking techniques with modern features, making it a standout in the world of luxury timepieces. Its aesthetic appeal is enhanced by polished finishes and intricate detailing, reflecting Mido's dedication to refinement. Whether at the office, social gatherings, or sporting events, this watch elevates your presence with subtle sophistication. Every component, from the chronograph pushers to the precise movement, highlights exceptional craftsmanship. The Multi-Fort Automatic Chronograph is ideal for collectors and enthusiasts who value both functionality and elegance. Its timeless design ensures it remains a stylish and reliable accessory for years to come. This watch is a testament to Mido's expertise in combining technical innovation with visual allure. The Multi-Fort Automatic Chronograph is perfect for those who seek a versatile, high-performance timepiece that complements any occasion. Number 5. Mido Commander Gradient Automatic. The Commander Gradient Automatic is a stunning reinterpretation of Mido's classic Commander line, offering a visually captivating gradient dial that exudes sophistication. Its automatic movement guarantees precision and reliability, representing the best of Swiss watchmaking. The stainless steel case and bracelet provide durability while maintaining elegance, making this watch suitable for both formal and casual occasions. The gradient dial adds depth and character, catching light in a way that highlights the intricate design details. Luminescent hands and markers ensure optimal readability in various lighting conditions, combining functionality with aesthetic appeal. Water resistance enhances versatility, allowing worry-free daily wear. The Commander Gradient Automatic is a statement piece, effortlessly elevating your style and demonstrating refined taste. Its balanced design, polished finishes, and smooth contours reflect meticulous craftsmanship and timeless elegance. Ideal for collectors and enthusiasts, this watch seamlessly blends heritage and contemporary flair. Each glance at the dial is a reminder of precision engineering and artistic design. Whether at business meetings, social gatherings, or casual outings, the Commander Gradient Automatic makes a lasting impression. Its combination of technical excellence and visual allure ensures it remains a treasured part of your collection. The watch embodies sophistication, versatility, and enduring style, making it an essential choice for those seeking to elevate their look instantly. Number 4. Baroncelli Heritage Gent Automatic. The Baroncelli Heritage Gent Automatic is an exquisite example of classic Swiss watchmaking reimagined for modern elegance. Its refined design is characterized by a clean dial, delicate markers, and understated sophistication that suits formal occasions and professional settings. The automatic movement provides accurate and reliable timekeeping, powered by mechanical precision and craftsmanship. Encased in durable stainless steel, this watch offers both resilience and elegance, seamlessly pairing with leather or metal straps for versatile styling. The luminescent hands ensure readability in all lighting environments, highlighting the perfect balance between form and function. Water resistance adds practical usability for daily wear, making this watch both stylish and reliable. The Baroncelli Heritage Gent Automatic exudes timeless charm, capturing attention with subtle design details and polished finishes. Every aspect, from the movement to the dial layout, reflects Mido's commitment to excellence. This timepiece is ideal for those who appreciate heritage, precision, and refined aesthetics. Its classic yet contemporary design makes it a versatile addition to any collection. Whether attending business meetings, social events, or casual outings, it elevates your appearance effortlessly. The watch is a harmonious combination of tradition and modernity, ensuring it remains relevant and admired in 2025. With its understated elegance and enduring quality, the Baroncelli Heritage Gent Automatic is a must-have for connoisseurs of fine timepieces. Number 3. Commander Gradient Automatic. The Commander Gradient Automatic is a masterpiece of Swiss watchmaking, combining innovative design with timeless appeal. Its striking gradient dial creates visual depth and dynamic charm, instantly capturing attention on the wrist. Powered by an automatic movement, it ensures precision timekeeping while embodying Mido's dedication to craftsmanship and reliability. The stainless steel case and bracelet provide durability while maintaining elegant aesthetics suitable for all occasions. Luminescent hands and markers guarantee clarity in every lighting condition, making it a functional and stylish companion. Water resistance adds practicality for everyday wear, enhancing its versatility. This watch blends classic Commander heritage with modern flair, offering a sophisticated yet contemporary design that appeals to collectors and style enthusiasts alike. Its polished finishes and meticulous detailing reflect Mido's commitment to quality and artistry. Whether attending formal events or casual outings, the Commander Gradient Automatic elevates your look instantly. Every glance at the dial showcases thoughtful engineering and refined aesthetics. The watch's presence on the wrist communicates confidence, sophistication, and an appreciation for heritage. Ideal for those seeking a versatile, visually striking timepiece, it combines technical excellence with aesthetic elegance. The Commander Gradient Automatic is a symbol of style, precision, and enduring quality, making it an indispensable addition to any watch collection. Number 2. Ocean Star 39 Automatic. The Ocean Star 39 Automatic is a sophisticated diving watch that merges performance and elegance effortlessly. Its 39mm case ensures a comfortable fit while delivering a bold presence on the wrist. Powered by a precise automatic movement, it guarantees reliable timekeeping with Swiss engineering excellence. The dial is designed for clarity, featuring luminescent markers and hands that enhance readability underwater and in low-light conditions. Crafted from stainless steel, the case and bracelet provide both strength and refined aesthetics. Water resistance and robust construction make it a trusted companion for aquatic adventures or daily wear. The Ocean Star 39 Automatic balances classic dive watch elements with contemporary design, ensuring it remains stylish and relevant in 2025. Polished finishes and attention to detail reflect Mido's dedication to craftsmanship and timeless appeal. Whether exploring underwater worlds or navigating urban environments, this watch exudes confidence and elegance. Its versatile design allows seamless transition between professional, casual, and adventurous settings. The combination of precision, durability, and visual appeal makes it a must-have for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Every element, from the movement to the dial layout, showcases Swiss engineering mastery. The Ocean Star 39. Automatic is more than a diving tool. It's a statement of refined taste, reliability, and enduring style. Its timeless design ensures it remains a cherished addition to any collection for years to come. Number 1. Multi-Fort TV Big Date Automatic. The Multi-Fort TV Big Date Automatic is the pinnacle of innovation and style in Mido's 2025 collection. Its distinctive square-shaped TV case sets it apart, offering a bold and modern aesthetic while maintaining timeless elegance. The automatic movement provides precision timekeeping and reliability, showcasing Swiss watchmaking expertise at its finest. Featuring a prominent big date complication, it enhances both functionality and visual appeal, making it a practical yet stylish accessory. Crafted with stainless steel, the case and bracelet balance durability and refined sophistication, perfect for formal and casual occasions alike. The dial is thoughtfully designed with luminescent hands and markers for optimal readability, ensuring clarity in any lighting condition. Water resistance adds practical versatility for everyday wear and active lifestyles. This watch seamlessly blends heritage design elements with contemporary innovation, reflecting Mido's dedication to craftsmanship and artistry. Its polished finishes and intricate detailing capture attention effortlessly, elevating any outfit instantly. Ideal for collectors and watch enthusiasts, the Multi-Fort TV Big Date Automatic represents a harmonious combination of style, function, and Swiss precision. Every glance at the dial reminds you of the meticulous engineering and timeless design that define Mido. It's more than a timepiece. It's a statement of sophistication, confidence, and enduring elegance. The Multi-Fort TV Big Date Automatic is undoubtedly the crown jewel of the 2025 Mido lineup. And that wraps up our list of the top 10 Mido watches for 2025. Whether you're looking to upgrade your daily style or add a standout piece to your collection, these watches prove that Mido perfectly blends elegance and innovation. Which one caught your eye the most? Share your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our watch reviews and rankings. Thanks for watching, and until next time, elevate your style with Mido.